Behind your back, there is a secret involving your sister. While the specifics remain unknown, remember that God sees all things. Trust in His divine wisdom and timing. Approach the situation with love, grace, and understanding. Seek open communication and be a source of support. Remember that relationships within the family are meant to be nurtured and protected. Embrace the power of forgiveness and allow God's healing to flow. Pray for guidance and peace as you navigate through this challenging situation. Rest assured that God holds the ability to bring resolution and restoration. If you believe, type Amen.